Nothing weird going on. My head is spinning. Like something weird is going on, like my eyes. See? I think that worked. Want to prepare this year. Oh. Something weird is going on in my head. It's spinning. I'm not feeling well. I think I'm gonna be sick. I'm good.